welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how I did my hair like this. It's really simple, nothing too complex. I guess it's not really too complex, but it's pretty much a braid inside of a braid. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to do your hair like this, make sure you continue watching. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this video. Alright guys, so here we are. I know you guys are probably wondering, like, Sam, why are you wearing the same thing from the last previous video that you posted? Well, it's because I recorded this the same day after Kamden's 11-month update, so that's why I'm wearing the same thing. So I'm doing this hairstyle on a 3rd day hair. So the first thing you want to do is grab your comb or whatever you use to part your hair. And I'm parting my hair on the left side because I just always part that way. And then I'm going to zag the comb towards the back of my head down the middle so that both sides of my hair has the same amount. Because if I were to just go straight back, I'm going to have less hair on the left side versus the right. So I just wanted to make sure that both sides are equal, like I said. And this is what sucks when it comes to styling your hair when it's dry. It gets so tangled so fast. And like I said, this is 3rd day hair. This is what you have to deal with when it comes to styling hair when it's dry. But anyways, once you manage to actually detangle your hair, you want to grab one side and tie it up. So once you're done tying up your hair, what you want to do is grab a spray bottle, and I'm using my Flarisol bottle, which I really love because the spray is continuous. If you guys don't have this yet, you guys need to get on it. So I'm just wetting the front of my hair with water because I wanted to make sure it's smooth and it's not, you know, the baby hairs is looking crazy. So I'm just making sure everything's smoothed out. And then I'm grabbing my Taliah Wajiid leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to just spray that on the areas so that it's like I said, it's smooth and I have something in it, some type of product. I was going to use gel, but then I figured I didn't want to use gel, so I just went ahead and used the leave-in conditioner instead. Then you want to part your hair in 3 main sections, and then I went ahead and tied the middle section so it doesn't get mixed up with the 1st and the 3rd section. You want to grab your comb and you want to part down the front of your hair. And this is so that you can twist your hair like I did here. You don't have to add this. I just wanted to add it and give a little style to the braid. But you just go ahead and twist your hair like this. And then you just want to twist it all the way down. So then you're going to grab 2 sections, and this is going to be a part of the twist that you just made to make 3 sections. And then what you want to do is go ahead and braid all the way down like this. And you don't want to make it too tight because the braid is going to look funny at the top where you did the twist. So you want to do it a little bit loose in the beginning, and then you want to go ahead and tighten it all the way down. And that's pretty much it for the 1st section, and then you move on to the 2nd part of your hair. And this one, you're just simply going to do a braid, so you just make 3 sections, just like before, except this doesn't have the twist. And you just go ahead and braid down. So once you're done with the second section, you just go ahead and do the same process to the last section. And it's pretty easy. oh my gosh, guys, my arms are so tired doing the braid, and I'm not even halfway done. I still gotta do the other side, but my fingers and forearms were dying. So once you're done braiding the main 3 sections, this is the trickiest part, guys. No, not really. You just want to make sure when you start your braid, it is flat. You don't want to just like braid it and then not even care it's flat because it's gonna look ugly. So you just want to make sure you lay the braid flat each time you braid. And then I'm grabbing an elastic, clear elastic, and I'm just gonna tie the braid down. And I'm adding a little water because it's looking dry. My ends are looking crazy. And then I'm just gonna, you know how I always do, I twist the ends with the gel. But yeah, and then I just, you know, swirl my finger so that I got a little curl at the end of my braid. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make the braid with the twist on that side, you know. It's so easy. Now the left side is gonna be really easy because you don't even gotta worry about that twist that you just did. So again, it's the same process. You just want to make 3 main sections, do a little water, put a little product in there so that everything's smooth and able to, you know, braid. And then here, I'm just doing a little simple twist, not the twist that we did on the right side. We're doing just a little normal twist so that it looks, you know, really nice up there. And then you want to just start braiding. Now, I noticed when I started braiding, I had a little hump at the top with my hair sticking out. So you just want to tuck that in or pull your hair down a little bit more so that it doesn't have that and it goes away. So that's pretty much it. And you just braid down. So once you're done braiding the main 3 sections, again, you want to make sure when you braid that it is flat when you start and all the way till you end it. Because if, like I said, if you don't, the braid isn't going to look right. So that's pretty much it for this hairstyle. I feel like it's really easy to do, not too, you know, not too complicated. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this hairstyle, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already. I tend to post weekly every Wednesday, so make sure you're subscribed and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.